Hello and welcome. This is Kevin of The Real Laptop Lifestyle. Now, before we get started, I want to ask you a very quick question. I'm about to introduce you to a new product called Unstoppable. Now, this is not so much a review. I was looking for videos to make evergreen material out of when I came across this. And what impressed me about it was you can make $25 over and over and over again in just 60 seconds flat. Now, I've gone through this material. I'm not going to bother to show you the back end or take you through bits. I'm just going to tell you what's in it. If you're a beginner, if you're looking for ways to start making money on the internet, this is really simple. This is really easy, and anyone could do this. In fact, my grandson could do this, who's 10, anyone can do it. It's that simple. And in just 60 seconds flat, you could be earning $25 over and over again. Now, what they mean by that is when you set up your gigs, when you set up what it is this does, it takes just 60 seconds to fulfill that order. So let's go through this. You're going to get access to this website shortly. It's 100% newbie friendly. There is no website required. No list is required. No traffic is required. And it's just 60 seconds work. You can set it up once and then it'll go on paying you and paying you and paying you and paying you. And then you can set up something else and that will go on paying you and paying you and paying you and paying you. And I reckon from looking through this, you could probably get this paying within a day, 2 days. Okay. And just take it forward from there. There's no techie stuff, a complete DIY business. Okay. Now, this was on a launch. We've gone past that. So all I want to do is show you the bits that I thought you should know about. You can get results as soon as tomorrow. Now, they give you some money earnings here. This is what they've done. But the 60 seconds is how long it takes you to actually fulfill an order. The simplest, easiest money you'll ever learn. Now, they're going to give you their exact system, extensive training. I think there are 10 videos in this, and it will show you how you can make profit over and over again. And it's a done for you package. Listen to what George Neve has to say. Unstoppable is mind blowing. It sheds light on an untapped marketplace where you can get unlimited and constant income. I always love to expand my income making potential. Thanks to Unstoppable, this will be added to my business arsenal. Okay, now I'm quite excited about it. I didn't think there was enough to make a long video out of it, but I wanted to show you it. There's lots more recommendations. They say here they could easily charge $197 or $297 for it. I believe them, but they're not charging that. It's next to nothing. Okay, and we'll come to that in a minute. You'll get access to this page. As Eric says, they've discovered a foolproof way to make money, and it's so easy, anyone can do it, and that means you. They want to make this easy, so they've put it together in a really good training course. It's an over-your-shoulder instructions, so you can get started as soon as today, unless you want to get started sooner. And to make this even sweeter, they've included an outsourced training. Now, let me explain what they mean by that. You don't have to trade time for money. When you've got this going, when you've learned how to do this, then you can give this to a VA, someone to do it for you. And you can go and do something else. So you can set up another stream and you could end up with a whole series of VAs working for you, making it a very sweet sort of deal. Now, this is a great place again starting. It's low investment. There's lots of great testimonials for it. So if, like me, you've been bouncing from one shiny object to the next and getting zero results, now this is time for a change. Now, I would suggest if you're really serious about building an online income, this is where you should start. It's not $497, by the way. Here are the bonuses. Bonus one is your very own website. I don't think it would really have a value of $497, but it's certainly got value. Bonus two, they're going to show you how to build funnels. Bonus three, they're going to show you how to sell this in social media marketing. Outsourcing, as we've already said, this is a bonus in itself. You're going to get the video sales formula. Now, I believe that they actually give you a whole load of setup PowerPoints, which means you can make intro after intro after intro after intro, and you can sell them all at $25 each, time after time after time after time. This is the video creation mastery module, and there's so much more. Now they give you a full 30-day money back guarantee. So you've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. Now, what does this cost? Well, it costs $9.95 just to get started for what you've seen already. But there are some bonuses, okay? So I'm going to take you over to my bonuses because I've got quite a few for you. I don't think they've got any more down here. I put some nice bonuses together for you. So let me just pause this for a moment. Okay, I'm back with you. I want to try and get this recording done before it goes dark outside because we're at that time of year in the autumn where it goes from a little bit light to dark very quickly. So I put some very nice bonuses together for you. And the reason I put these together is, oh, before we go any further, please click on the link directly below this video, the subscribe button, and that will keep you updated with all the new videos I make. Click that button and the little bell next to it, because I've got some very nice material coming out in the next few months that will help you make money, so you don't want to miss it. Anyway, I put this page together. If you click on the link directly under this video, it'll bring you through to this page, okay? Now, here are the bonuses I put together for you. I take it at the moment you're looking for ways of making money online. Now, I would like to give you this. This is one of my favorite videos. It's how to achieve more in a day than most people do in a week. I get up early and I'm usually finished by about lunchtime, but I achieve a lot more than most people. Basically, I'm very focused. I follow a process. I'd like to give you that, and you'll probably get the same or a lot more than even me done. That's yours for nothing. The next bonus is how to be financially successful online. Now, this is basically just a few rules, a few common sense rules to follow. Unfortunately, most people don't follow them. If you follow these, you will be successful online. That one's yours for nothing. This is one of my favorites, how to get 12 weeks additional paid holiday every year. Sound good? That's yours for nothing. And how to get as much targeted Facebook traffic as you want for just pennies. Right now, this particular system for me is red hot. It might not be working in a few months from now, but right now you get loads of traffic for pennies. And all of these are yours. All you have to do is click on the link directly below this video, come through to here, see what I have on offer, then you click this button. Now this button is going to take you straight back through to the page, and you can spend as much time on here as you like. Now, as you already know, it's $9.95, but there are a few what they call one-time offers, OTOs. So let's show you what is available. Okay, so it's going to cost between, I think, $7.95 and the most is $11.95, and that's for the course and everything else. Let me just move myself across here. The one-time offer is between $17 and $27. And this is a template bundle with training and all kinds of things. And generally, the more you spend on these OTOs, the more you're going to get back and the more money you'll make. So come back over this video, have a look at what's offer here. This one I would certainly invest into because this is how you get started, okay? OTO 3, I can see straight away, it's giving you for between $17 and $37. Why is it between $17 and $37? Well, they're on a dime sale. It starts off at $17. You aren't going to get that. That was the first hour, and it goes up to $37. But generally, you get huge value out of these anyway. This is going to give you 1,500 stock videos, high quality stock videos, and 750 4K videos. Now these can cost a fortune, so that seems like a pretty good deal if you're going to be making videos. Okay, so you can see what else it gives you in there. The OTO 4, 5 more ways to profit, and that could be up to $47. OTO 4, it's how to write newsletters. Our team is all the gigs. Okay, so well, it looks like it's a sort of newsletter anyway. You need to go through that. I don't want to take up too much time. OTO 5, $67. Now, listen, it's giving you a full money back guarantee. Even if you bought a lot of these, you don't have to. You can just buy 1 or 2 and come back and get others later. Even if you bought the lot, you're getting a very workable system for a very low price, and you can be getting your money back very, very quickly. So if you're interested in this, please do 2 things. First of all, if you've enjoyed this video, right below, you'll see a little blue button. Please, or a little blue thumbs up, click it. That'll tell me you've enjoyed the video and I'll make more like them. Okay, and then click the link directly under this video, and that will take you through to my bonus page. Here it is again, and you get all of these bonuses. Take your time, go through them, and if you're interested in buying it, then click on this button. That will bring you through to the page. You can take your time on there. If you come down and you decide to buy it, then you get all of my bonuses. Nothing. How do you claim them? What you do is, as soon as this has been sold through the Warrior forum, you will be presented with a page like this, and this is where you get your purchase. But underneath, you'll see an affiliate bonus. If you click that, you're going to get all of my bonuses. Now, look, it's almost dark here, as you can see. I can see my own screen in my glasses. So, thank you very much for joining me. Please remember to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye for now.